What's up, guys? Redneck Customs back at it. Okay, so now like I said, previous to the lawn tractor, I got these two air conditioners, and literally, guys, I mean, maybe you can tell, I literally picked them up off the side of the road, and they both work. Now, I was going to see if swapping parts to get at least one of them to work, but they both work. So, we're going to get them cleaned out, get them looking nice, turn them back on, make sure everything's out of them, and we're going to sell these bad bitches. So, I don't know how long this video is going to run, guys, so don't get pissed off, don't get your panties in a wad. Whatever. We're going to get these motherfuckers off. Got a fucking nail. What the fuck? I'm gonna get them off and, must be a nail because there ain't no bolts in this one. Ain't that some bitch stupider than hell. Hell, we might have to go find us some. That ain't goddamn good. Or maybe no. Yeah. Yeah, that was just holding this fucking thing on there. So, okay, like I said, guys, go ahead and get this filter. Jesus Christ, that's nasty. Good, it's I'm glad it's still good, but anyhow, so that filter's not it's not bad. Not good, but it's not bad. It's just nasty, and the filter on this bad. Just nasty, but like I said, we'll get that cleaned up and get her sold. I can't believe people live like that. That's disgusting right there. But yeah, there we go. There's our two filters, guys, and y'all are gonna see. So I'm gonna set these bad boys right there for now. See if we can get a little screw hole or something, you know. Oh my. This one I'm probably going to try to sell for $50. It's beat the fuck up. All brown. Alright. I gotta set y'all down now so y'all can hold on a second. Get you situated. Yeah, guys, I use a phone, so fucking bear with me, goddammit. Alright, cool shit. So I've got a screw there. This is gotta come off. So let's get our handy dandy screwdriver. See if we can do some work. Just gonna see if she's gonna pop off, how that's going to work or something, and that fucking foot's completely rusted out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Not good, dudes. Not good. So, wonder how this is gonna work out here. Should fucking pop off of there, honestly. All the ones I've ever dealt with just pop off. There we go. Okay, okay. I see. You just want to be a stubborn little bitch. Okay. Alright, what the fuck? Come on. Okay. Okay. God damn it! Now the fucking caps won't come off. Are you fucking serious? It ain't gonna fucking come off if the fucking caps won't come off. I mean, that's fucking problems, guys. I got one. Stick him over here. Oh shit. Sometimes, I tell you what. Damn, Lord, what the? Ah! That bitch. I ain't never fucking. Damn it! Ah! God, this is disgusting. I've never had one that I can't get this shit off of. It's gonna come off of it though. I'll hold it down with my foot. I ain't fucking scared. You fucking bitch. What the fuck? You're just goddamn plastic. Now you won't fucking grip worth the shit. Ready to fucking break this piece of shit off of here, but then I can't sell it. Fucking shit. Guys, it ain't coming off of there. I don't know what the fuck to do. Piece of fucking shit. Good thing I'm getting rid of this motherfucker. Good thing I'm fucking selling it because it is a major piece of fucking shit. I mean, hell, that's why they threw it out there, but really, them guys just threw it out there because of the way it looked. Doubt they even tried it. If they did, they wouldn't have thrown them away. I mean, why would you throw something away that's working? It just doesn't make any sense. Gonna see if some of this here painting fluid and paint thinner will work. Paint thinner. To get this damn plastic shit off the sides, go grab a goddamn rag, guys. I'll be right back. So, we got our rag. Not the best, but we're just gonna see if my little jar of paint thinner will clean this piece of fucking shit up, you know. I got one off, whatever, fuck it. Oh, hell yeah, seems to work pretty damn good. Hopefully we just get it clean, but I'm not gonna get it too goddamn clean with this nasty ass towel. Damn it. This fucking life, I tell you what. I gotta go in here and I can't get the fucking cover off, so. Oh. Sometimes life is good and sometimes it just fucking ain't. Give a fuck who you are. Sometimes you're good, sometimes you're not. It just is what it fucking is. Damn it, I couldn't get this damn cover off of here. Get some, bitch. Now, we're going to remove the side bolts, guys, because now we're going to, like I said, we're going to remove the damn side bolts. What else you want from it? Because we're going to take the top cover off. Well, I hope, guys. Sometimes I fucking hate life. Am I kidding? Sometimes I really just fucking hate goddamn life. No other way to say it. This is how I fucking feel sometimes. Yeah! Man. Goodness fucking gracious. There's a tiny little star bit I got in there, but I'm looking for a motherfucker. Looking for a goddamn Phillips. Probably don't have that in there anymore. God! Yeah, I do. No, I don't. Oh! Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Man, see that? Sometimes you just can't fucking win. So we're gonna flip this fucking motherfucker up. Right, just like this. And say, why can't I get you out? See here. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, buddy. Get it done. Damn. That's cool, I guess. Guys. So let me just give you a fucking heads up. If I could get these out, I'll end up replacing those. This one, that one, depending on the other side. I want to get this plastic, silicone, whatever they say, fucking morons. Whatever this shit is, I want to get it off. Because it's in my opinion, this is not this is stupid. Why they would do that? Like I said, I was hoping paint thinner might take it off, but I didn't try it actually. We got a little bit on there. Let's see what that does. See it right there. Hell, I don't think it's doing anything. Oh shit! Hold on. Wow, guys, look at there. Look at there. It's taking it off. Wow, that's fucking awesome right there. Holy shit. That paint thinner took it the fuck off. Holy shit. Well, let's get a whole bunch more of that goddamn shit on there. How about, hell yeah. How about that right there, and we'll just try to keep it kind of over this way. There you go, baby. Get back over there. Yeah. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to get this off, you know, so that way I could take the fan shroud off and clean up all this shit in here, you know, so it's not blowing shit out. Look at all the leaves in there, and you know, I just really wanted to get this off so I could be able to clean that up, you know, and then obviously stick this back on there, but I don't know. It's extremely old. I'm going to go inside and get the impact gun and see if we can get those out. So actually what I'm going to do right now is get us a little bit of that penetrating oil. That's actually WD-40. I got multi-purpose PB Blaster. And, you know, guys, honestly, for the stuck bolts, my personal opinion is WD-40 and PB Blaster. I mean, this is technically not, guys, this is not, well, it's not the PB Blaster that I bought. This is PB Blaster, but it's not, y'all know what I'm talking about. Real PB Blaster is in the, it's like an off-brand. But, god damn it, it works. But I've always found PB Blaster and WD-40 works best. I don't know any other ones, you know, so, you know, if y'all know some other ones that I don't know, you know, never be too shy. Hit me up, let me know. I'd like to try them out, see if they work, you know. Yeah, like I said, guys, fixing to end this video and go in the house and grab the impact gun and come out here and see if we can't get them goddamn bolts out. And if we can get them damn bolts out, guys, like I said, also, probably going to bring some Dawn dish soap out here. Like I said, clean it up a little bit, or have Miss Bridget go around when I get this cover off and give it a good cleaning. Unfortunately, don't have any white paint, which, you know, out of all the shit that I have right here, Preston, wouldn't it be smart to go buy 5 or 6 cans of white and 5 or 6 cans of black, you know? God, just so that way you got them laying around the shop for shit like this. I mean, I could make these goddamn things look brand new. You know, paint it white, paint the heads of the bolts black, throw them up for $100. I don't know. Anyhow, like I said, guys, fixing to go ahead and go in the house, and also got to grab me another cup of coffee, because that actually got quite cold while I was waiting on my video to upload. I hope y'all enjoyed RC Morning Update. Pretty much the gist of the update, guys, was me wanting to just show y'all what has been done, but I'm going to end this video here, and once I go in and grab me a cup of coffee and the impact gun and try to find me a fucking cigarette, I'm going to come out here and I'll give y'all update 2 on the Blackhawk, because I did tell y'all I'm going to walk you through, not just show you before, do it, then show you after, not a before and after thing. We're just going to, so yeah, like I said, let me go ahead and get in there and get this shit done, grab our impact gun, and smoke and a cup of coffee, and we'll get there. Don't forget to give this video a big old whammy, and y'all take care, guys. Thank you for watching. Be back in about 20 minutes.